How's it? We're in the main TV lounge. I've given you a RCA cable here. It's a blue cable here, the left and right audio jacks. You can plug this into your deck and that goes into the system. If we walk outside to the touch panel where your desk is going to be around about here, here's a touch panel on the wall. This is where you select all your inputs. I've put that blue RCA cable on auxiliary input, and then here you adjust the volume for the veranda. If you click on all zones and press your auxiliary input, it now sets all zones to your auxiliary input, so you can adjust the volume independently for each zone. We are in the veranda currently. I'm sure they'll want the kitchen on, and then you should be able to take it from here, and this one will turn all the zones off, and that's it. Just going back into the lounge where we came from, there's a keypad on the wall. You'll see it's got the same auxiliary input. So this is for the big speakers here in the TV lounge. If you press your auxiliary input, it'll turn the amp on and set it to the right input. So that's the same as your RCA cable. Volume up and down and off. Shannon has asked if we can plug a laptop in after they're finished. If you look next to the CD player up here in the equipment rack, here is a 3.5mm jack for the laptop. I'll leave it up here, and that will be on CD. If we go back to the touch panel, you'll see the CD input here when they want to play their laptop. So you just tap on CD, and this is now that 3.5mm jack. If you go to all zones, just remember you touch over here if you want to activate all zones. CD is now activated on all zones. I just want to show you this remote. It's a Crestron multi-room remote. We navigate by scrolling up and scrolling down and pushing the button in to select, and that is your back button. So for example, if you want to play the pool speakers on your auxiliary cable, we'll go to pool, click to select, pool, and then AUX, and then volume up, volume down. If you want to control the veranda, go back, select veranda, AUX. You're now playing the auxiliary cable on the veranda. Volume up, volume down. Same thing with the CD player, or the 3.5mm jack that is on the CD player input. We go to veranda and we go to CD. Volume up, volume down. So you can independently control the volume for each zone.